Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to activate your Wise card. If you've recently received your Wise debit card and are eager to start using it, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Step 1. Receive your Wise card. Once you've ordered your Wise debit card and it arrives in the mail, make sure to check that it's in good condition and that the details match the card you requested. Step 2. Log in to your Wise account. To start the activation process, open the Wise app or visit the Wise website on your desktop. Log in to your account using your credentials, email, and password. Step 3. Locate the card activation section. Inside the Wise app or website, go to the Cards section. You'll see an option to activate your card. Click on it to begin the activation process. Step 4. Enter your card details. For security reasons, you'll be asked to enter the 16-digit card number found on the front of your Wise card. You may also need to provide the expiration date and CVV code, the 3-digit number on the back of the card. Step 5. Verify your identity. As a part of the activation process, Wise may ask you to verify your identity. Follow the on-screen instructions, which may include uploading a photo of your ID or completing facial recognition. This is an essential step to ensure your account is secure. Step 6. Confirm activation. After completing the identity verification, your Wise card will be activated. You'll receive a confirmation message or notification indicating that you can now start using your card for purchases, online transactions, and ATM withdrawals. Step 7. Set your PIN. For added security, you'll also be prompted to set a PIN for your card. Choose a secure PIN that only you will know. Step 8. Start using your Wise card. Congratulations! Your Wise card is now activated and ready to use. You can access your funds, make payments, and withdraw money from ATMs globally. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips on managing your Wise account. Drop any questions you may have in the comments below.